Hi there. Welcome to Ink, Lead, Paper, and Thread. I am excited, I'm really excited today to show you this video of how I rainbowized, I'm just gonna call it that, rainbowized my Clever Fox planner. So this is an Ultimate Achiever's Clever Fox planner. It is the 13-week planner that is set up in a way that helps you achieve certain, very specific goals that you create for yourself. So basically, if you want to move along, like if there are goals that you feel like you are not making progress on and you want to get those done, this is a great planner for that purpose. And so I have a whole other video, actually have an unboxing video, and then I also have a video on how to use the planner. So I'll put that in the link down below. But I wanted to show you this specific part about rainbowing the edges, and not just the edges, but the margins of the Clever Fox planner, because this has been my favorite planner so far. And that is in large part, and I know this sounds weird, but it's in large part due to like this rainbowization. I will say I've had other Clever Fox planners, and not different types, but like the same Ultimate Achievers planner. I've had other ones. I've used a few others before this one. They definitely do help you achieve your goals. So I'm not saying that like the rainbowization is what helped me achieve the goal. That's not it. The planner itself helped me. But here's one that I used in the past. I didn't rainbow the edges. It has still totally worked for me, but I think doing the rainbow really just enhanced the whole experience. And this one I'm finished with. I just finished this, and I went through the entire planner, 13 weeks. I just finished it, and I've already started this new one, and I'm in the process of rainbowing this, as you can see, and I will post a video on that once this one's done, because I'm doing a whole different color scheme. So let me just tell you a little bit about why I did this. With the Clever Fox planner, you have, like I said, you have 13 different weeks in the planner. So you've got I just opened up to week 8, but then you have 7 days of week 9, then you go on to week 10, and so on. And so, it's really handy if you would like to be able to quickly, if you want to go back and look at what you've done and you want to quickly flip back to a certain week, if you remember what color you're on, what color that week was, you can just easily, put your finger on it and then open the book up and flip to that week. And also they do provide you with these really handy bookmarks, but if you want to go back a few weeks, then you automatically always know where that week is if it's rainbowized. So I color coded each week with a different color. And then at the beginning of the Clever Fox planner, there's the goal section where you set up your goals, like right here. And so I also color the margins of all of the weeks in correspondence with the color of that week. So as you can see here, I had the lime green as like my week 4, and then down here it's the lime green. Down, up here it's the yellow for week 6, then there's the yellow there. So not only is it really, it keeps you organized so that you can flip to the week, but it's also just really pretty. It's pretty when I'll show you in my new one. It's pretty obviously from the side, but then when you open up to, this is a blank page that I haven't filled out yet. When you open up to this, you have this really inviting page because you have the beautiful color around the margin. So in one of my videos, I think it's my unboxing video, I talk about how I love the Clever Fox planners because they're so blank and you can customize them with whatever color schemes you want. And it's great because, it's just so customizable and you can really make it your own. And I think that when you do make it your own, I think you are more likely to want to engage with the planner. that's another reason why I did it. It's just because it's just so aesthetically pleasing. It seriously makes me happy just to like see how cool that looks. And usually what I do is I correspond my pen color that week to the margin. Also, the process of coloring for me is, you know, it's kind of like, it's fun. It's like, it de-stresses you a little bit. Like if you've had a long day and you just want to unwind afterward, you can just sit here with a colored pencil or a marker or whatever, you know, whatever medium you choose, and you can just sit there and color, and it's relaxing. So if you get one of these and you start setting it up well in advance, then you can just do like a page a night. If you like to do adult coloring, or if you just like to color for relaxation, if you don't have a coloring book, or if you want to just take a break from your coloring book, this is just a great alternative. You can just sit there and color and relax. So there's another reason why I like it. The way that I do this when I'm coloring this is, so for this one, my red one, this kind of like primary, it's kind of like more jewel tones here, and I just love this one. What I did is I set up a color scheme. So I went through my, for this one I used Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. So I went through here and I just chose the colors that I like, and then I drew up a color scheme to follow. And so you'll see this color scheme, you know, throughout the video. So let's get started. And also I do want to just apologize in advance for the video quality of what I'm actually coloring. I didn't have a tripod at the time, and so I was just using this like candle holder. And so it's really bad quality, and it's like, you know, the video is like vertical because I was using my phone, and so I'm really sorry about that, but that's all I have. That's all the footage I have. Okay, so let's get started. And there you have it. That's the process of rainbowing a Clever Fox Ultimate Achiever planner. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you like seeing videos like this, please do subscribe, and also, you know, feel free to like, you know, push the like button and to comment. I love discussing, you know, Clever Fox planners, and I love discussing like colored pencils and all that kind of stuff. So I'd love it if you guys would leave me a comment. All right, take care. Bye.